Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P. And I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $800 every week from the Google Play Store. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Any questions at all about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. Once you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to the Google Play Store and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay guys, I'm at the Google Play Store and I pulled up this app. Name of this app is Big Time Cash, Make Money Free. Now I'm going to be showing you 3 apps guys, so I'm going to go through this pretty fast. So please pay attention. Alright, so with this app, you're going to be making money playing video games. So let's just look at some of the screenshots right quick. So it says here, awesome games with cash prizes. Collect tickets, enter them in draws. Win money, cash out through PayPal. So guys, you need to have a PayPal account. It's very easy and quick to sign up. Just go to paypal.com. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 4.3. It's a very good app. Anything over 4.0 is a very good app, guys. All right, let's just read one review, guys. So this person right here named William, they gave it 5 stars. And I'll go ahead and read what they said here. This is the prettiest and most designed version for fun and for making money. It seems much easy, but it is so made complicated in other way. I don't know if they wrote that correctly, but just because each time you have to make sure that you achieve your goal, putting much attention and motion. So that's what this guy has to say, but sounds like he's really enjoying this app, guys, and he's making some money from it. Now that's all I'm gonna say about this app. So basically, guys, I said before, you're gonna be making money playing video games. You're going to collect tickets and you can win money from the tickets that you collect. If they pick your ticket, you win money. So to get started on this, just go to Big Time Cash, Make Money Free. Now let me go to the next app. Okay guys, I'm at the next app and the name of this app is ClickWorker. So with ClickWorker, you're going to be able to earn money wherever you go. And they have exciting projects. So they got a lot of tasks and projects and jobs you'll be able to pick from and do. And they have a simple payout. So again, you're going to need PayPal for this app too if you want to get paid out. So this is how it looks inside the app. And these are some of the tasks you're going to be doing, guys. So fill out surveys, online research, app testing, making audio and video recordings, mystery photography, store visits, writing and proofing text, categorizing data, and many more micro jobs. Now let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. Now, don't get discouraged about this rating. Out of 5 stars, it's 2.9. Now, this app haven't been around. They had a website for a while, but the app haven't been around. And sometimes the app can have some glitches, and people they're going to give, a low rating because the app has some glitches. But as you can see here, the ClickWorker customer service, they have responded to people's concerns. So if you have any concerns with the app, they're going to respond. But overall, this is a good app, and you can make some good money doing all different type of tasks. So you want to go ahead and start on this app. Go ahead and go to ClickWorker and download this app. Now let me go to the last app. Okay guys, I'm at the last app, and the name of this app is Dscout. Now let's look at some of the screenshots so we can learn a little bit about it right quick. So make an impact. So join thousands who help shape the products of tomorrow by sharing their opinions and ideas. So this is a app that's similar to a survey app where you're just going to be sharing your opinions and ideas on products. So share your experiences. So you'll be able to shoot videos, snap photos, and answer questions. So that sounds very fun, guys. You get to shoot videos, and you're going to get paid. So you earn cash rewards for participating in exciting research projects. And guys, you're going to like this app. I mean, it's been around for a while. You're going to have fun. You're going to get paid doing this. So that's basically what this app is all about. Let's look at the rating. So out of 5 stars, it's 3.2. I know it's a kind of low rating. Again, these apps, they're kind of fairly new, so they're still trying to get the glitches out. So people are going to give it a low rating, but for as it paying money, it has no problem to pay out money to people that does the work on here or answer questions or give their opinion. Now let's just read one review right quick. So it says here, this person right here gave it 5 stars, and they said, I have given this app 5 stars because of its fairness, professional standards, wide range of studies, and instant payment on successful completion of projects. So this person gave it 5 stars because it's a very professional app, and they pay once you complete the project. So guys, that's all I'm gonna say about this app right here. Go ahead and go to Dscout, download it, get started, and make this money. All right guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. And drop a comment below if you have any questions about these 3 apps. And please share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, I want to do one other thing before I end this video. I want to do a shout out. I try to do this every video and give a shout out to a new supporter. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for your comment. Hope you're a subscriber. Please keep checking out my videos, hitting that like button, and sharing my videos, and help me get to 7,000 subscribers. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks again for your support. Keep supporting me, and I'll keep dropping these important videos for you to check out. Now, one more thing before I go. Get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos. Until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.